Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia like a pro. To truly master the game, always prioritize identifying the ghost type quickly and accurately. Your journal is your best friend for tracking evidence and eliminating possibilities. Remember to maintain your sanity above 50% to prevent frequent hunts, which can be incredibly dangerous. Constant communication with your team is absolutely crucial for effective coordination and survival. Mastering evidence collection is key to becoming a Phasmophobia expert. Strategically place video cameras to observe ghost activity from a safe distance, capturing crucial visual evidence. The EMF reader is essential for pinpointing ghost interactions and their current location within the building. Always listen carefully for subtle ghost whispers or footsteps using the parabolic microphone. Finally, utilize the spirit box in dark rooms for direct, audible ghost responses. Surviving ghost hunts is a critical skill for any professional player. When a hunt begins, hide immediately and turn off all electronic devices to avoid detection. It's vital to learn the common ghost behaviors and unique abilities associated with each ghost type. Smudge sticks are invaluable. Use them to temporarily stop a ghost from hunting for about 6 seconds. Also, understand that some ghosts become faster when they maintain a line of sight with you. For advanced pro tactics, designate specific roles for each team member before entering the location. This ensures efficient evidence gathering and better coordination. Pay close attention to sound cues. They can often predict ghost movements and potential hunts. Employ crucifixes effectively by placing them within a 3-meter radius of the ghost's favorite room to prevent hunts. Finally, master looping ghosts during a hunt to buy valuable time for your teammates to escape or gather more evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.